Haisstronica reached out to me wanting me to check out a set of their wiring connectors. So if you've watched my channel at all, I just think back to the one video where I was working on my Jeep Grand Cherokee. The door wiring had broke, so it was constantly beeping. You had no control over anything from the door side. You couldn't control the door locks, the windows, whatever. And I'm trying to put all these wires back together. I'm, putting shrink wrap over it. I'm trying to join the wires, trying to solder it, bring it. I mean, it was such a nightmare trying to do all that in this little bitty cramped space between the door and the car. I think this kit's going to be perfect to fix something like that. All right, so let's check this out and see what's included. All right, very nice. So we've got a nice case here to hold everything. We've got different size heat shrink tubing. And these connectors, which the coolest idea is, you put your wire in on both sides, and as you heat this up, the tube itself shrinks, so it's going to help hold the wire in place. But then you can see there's a little piece of solder in there. So you're going to melt the solder, and really you're getting the wire fused together with solder, which is perfect. All of that in one step. So you're not having to sit there and try to do so many steps separately. And let's see what else we have here. And they sent the little heat gun that comes with it. Oh, very nice. It's got a nice little point, so it's going to be very precise heat right where you want it. You're not melting the entire car or whatever you're working on. You can get the heat just onto the connector itself to help it seat into place. All right, we're going to try to join these two wires together. In the old days, I would have had to get out my soldering iron, go find some solder, get everything ready, join these together, and then try to get a piece of heat shrink tubing over it. It was really kind of a pain in the butt to do all that. So we don't need all that now. Put all that up. We're just going to use one of the connectors from this kit, and we'll put it in. I'm going to zoom in here in a minute so you can see the connection, and we're going to let them join together right about where the solder is. Now we've got just enough of the connection there so the wires are both inside the solder, but there's insulation on both sides of it. So we're going to zoom in here so you can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to heat this up. Now the heat gun does come with this little deflector that if you're trying to keep the heat from going on anything else, you can kind of use this. I'm going to take that off. I don't need it right now. We're going to go ahead and zoom in, let you see this as we shrink it down. And we're going to turn this on 2. And we're going to let that heat up. It'll take it a minute to get going here. You can see already the solder is melting there. Now we're going to make sure all the connector itself is heated up really well so it shrinks good. And that was really quick. That did not take long at all, and we've got a good connection. I'm going to let this set for a minute. I definitely don't want to mess with it until it gets a chance to cool off. So we're going to let that set, and then we'll come back in just a second and take a look at it. All right, that has cooled off. Still a little warm, but not bad. But man, you can look at that and see that is a good connection. It is solid. So now I've effectively got my jumper here that I could use. I am really impressed with this kit. This is the one I'm filming and showing here. I've done a couple of other tests with some different size wire, and it has worked phenomenal. Every time I've done it, it's just been flawless. It's a very strong connection, obviously good electrical connection because you got the solder inside of there. And this is just quick. That's the biggest thing about it to me. The heat gun, especially if you go with setting 2 there, it heats up really quick. You're not going to have any issues heating this up and getting your stuff repaired, getting your cables made really quickly. So check out this kit if you're looking for something to do auto repair, repairs on your boat, your ATV, your side-by-side, whatever. This is a great kit for that.